Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hesston, local and long-distance movers near me. When you're relocating a long distance, you know that the journey is over 50 miles, so you must get the best hands on deck to avoid damaging your belongings. We have competent movers in charge of that. We work with your budget, timeline, schedule, and preference to draw out a moving plan. Our movers give careful attention to your household items. They arrange your furniture, clothes, appliances, and other belongings to avoid damage. Your items are also not mixed up or lost. They are authorities in charge of long-distance moves, and we have a close relationship with them. We also have licenses to transport belongings over 50 miles. Our drivers are also well-trained, and they know and follow every highway rule. They also get you to your new location right on time. If you're moving within the state or short distance in Hesston, we are the perfect fit for you. Moving to a new home can be time-consuming, but we help you speed up the process because of our efficiency. Our customer service is outstanding. We are the right choice for locals because we take the time to understand the specific needs of our clients. We also have an open communication system. We respond instantly to inquiries and issues. Despite our unique and efficient service, we have budget-friendly rates. Our hourly rate is around $30 to $40 per hour. Reach out to us to enjoy satisfactory services at budget-friendly prices. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hesston moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.